Take a ride in the 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.